Assuming you're searching for the Algorand, Algo, value expectation or finding the capability of Algo coin, this value conjecture can be useful for you. Our cost figure depends on a profound specialized investigation and the previous exhibition of Algorand. Here we will attempt to examine the capability of Algorand in the long haul, as information was accumulated from the undertaking site. Algorand is dealing with the unadulterated evidence of stake fundamental blockchain that is intended for the fate of money, future FE. Algorand's innovation empowers a bunch of high-performing Layer 1 blockchains that give security, versatility, complete exchange irrevocability, worked-in protection, cochains, and high-level savvy contracts. Algorand is attempting to eliminate those grindings in the monetary world that are fundamental in a future money world. Since its send-off, Algorand has acquired monstrous fame in the altcoin space. Beside the remarkable innovation, Algorand is one of the most encouraging blockchain drives as far as application cases too. The Algorand blockchain is being utilized in various true applications, which makes Algo coin significant. On the off chance that you're wanting to hold Algorand in the long haul, this coin can be a productive speculation. Today, Algorand is one of the most well-known altcoins in the crypto market. Algorand, Algo, is viewed as a remarkable undertaking because of its developments and fundamental standards, and has drawn in the consideration of experienced financial backers. The drawn-out cost expectation for Algo looks bullish and in impending months it can draw in significantly more consideration. The Algorand group is partaking in numerous drives to enhance the Algo token. As of late, Algorand establishment has likewise joined the race against environmental change, as well similarly as with Imagine recipe hustling. Because of such drives and organizations, the Algorand costs can soar in the forthcoming years. Numerous crypto experts foresee that the cost of Algorand will keep on filling in the following 5 years, outperforming the $10 mark toward the finish of 2025. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023. The crypto market is recuperating from the long negative occasions in 2023. According to our cost forecast, Algorand can arrive at a greatest value level of $1.61 by 2023. The typical cost of Algorand can be around 69 cents this year. Notwithstanding, in the event that there is a negative pattern on the lookout, the base cost of an Algorand token can be down up to 32 cents. Assuming there are a few decent bullish developments, the costs of Algorand might flood more than our drawn-out cost expectation in 2023. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2024. According to our cost examination, the negative way of behaving of cryptos can be long as the majority of the crypto's cost conduct relies upon Bitcoin. According to our ongoing cost expectation, the most extreme exchanging cost of Algorand can be around $4.72 in 2024. Assuming current execution proceeds, we can expect a typical cost of $2.89 this year. Notwithstanding, on the off chance that the market turns negative, the base value level of the Algorand coin can be around $1.75 in 2024. On the off chance that there is a bullish example on the lookout, the worth of Algorand might outperform our cost conjecture. Algorand, Algo, value forecast 2025. Algorand might contact new highs in 2025. This year can be a bullish year when numerous cryptos hit their new ATH. According to our cost investigation, the greatest cost of the Algorand coin can reach $10.34 by 2025, while the base cost of Algorand can go up to $4.98, assuming the market turns negative. Assuming that ongoing development proceeds, the typical value level of Algo can be around $6.17. In the event that there are a few decent developments in the market in 2025, the worth of Algorand might make another unsurpassed undeniable level. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2030. Algorand can be the main 10 task by the market cap by 2030. According to our cost conjecture, the most extreme cost of the Algorand coin can be around $83.62 in 2030. According to some market examiners, the crypto market is going to enter another age this year. Be that as it may, the typical cost of Algorand can be around $71.50. In the event that there is a negative climate on the lookout, the base cost of the Algorand coin can be around $69.02 in 2030. The worth of Algorand could outperform numerous altcoins, assuming it gets recorded on premium trades. Algorand, Algo, value forecast 2040. According to our drawn-out Algorand cost estimate, the Algorand costs can hit another ATH level this year. In 2040, we might expect a typical cost of $138.29 relying available pattern. Our most extreme cost expectation for Algorand is $149.56 in 2040. Assuming the market gets bullish, Algorand might flood more than our Algorand cost conjecture in 2040. While the base value level of Algorand can be around $113.45 in the event that the market gets negative. Algorand, Algo, Value Forecast 2050. Algorand has extraordinary potential, assuming you will hold it as long as possible. According to our Algorand cost forecast, the year 2050 can end with a typical cost of $259.76, while the base value worth of an Algorand can be around $238.89. After such a long excursion, alongside Algorand, numerous cryptos can hit their new all-time high this year. In 2050, the greatest cost of Algorand is supposed to exchange at around $273.21. Assuming that more financial backers are drawn to in the middle of between these years, the costs of Algorand can be a lot higher in 2050 than our cost conjecture. Is Algorand a wise speculation? According to ongoing year's presentation investigation, we discovered that the Algorand coin can possibly arrive at new highs. Algorand coin is one of the quickest developing blockchain projects that have pragmatic use cases. Also, cryptos with genuine use cases can areas of strength for B nature. According to our cost examination, the drawn-out interest in Algorand coin gives off an impression of being a decent choice to consider. Despite the fact that the Algorand coin costs appear to be bullish, Algo coin and other cryptos are unstable and can adjust their cost course whenever. In the event that you are a shrewd financial backer and like to make dangerous speculations, Algorand can be an extraordinary decision. Cryptos are today the most advantageous resources as well as the least secure also. Thus, prior to going with any speculation choice, do your legitimate gamble the board. Could Algorand at any point reach $100? As the Algorand coin is developing, numerous crypto merchants are interested to know, regardless of whether the Algorand can raise a ruckus around town cap. According to our drawn-out Algorand expectation, it can hit effectively a $100 cap in 2035-40. Algorand coin is an extraordinary computerized resource with a genuine use case. Also, in the crypto market, the sky is the limit. As we have found in the beyond, an extraordinary bull run or bear rally can whip all the cost expectations in a moment or two. Assuming that more financial backers are drawn to the Algorand coin project, the cost of Algorand coin can skyrocket, and it might hit its $100 focus before our Algorand coin expectation. A few new postings on premium trades may likewise build the worth of the Algorand coin. What is Algorand? Algorand is a famous digital currency like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The Algorand project was established by a teacher of software engineering at the Massachusetts Organization of Innovation. Algorand was designed to accelerate exchanges and work on the productivity of blockchains. The Algorand project falls under the WEB3 classification, which makes the Algorand project dependable. Does Algorand have a future? Algorand is perhaps of the quickest developing undertaking on the lookout.